ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವಾದಂತಹ ಅ ಹೀರೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳ ಚರ್ಚೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. Swami's father drew his attention to a report in the newspaper. What was the report about ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The report was about the bravery of a village lad when he was returning home in the jungle path. Suddenly, a tiger came. He faced the tiger and climbed up the tree and stayed half a day. Afterwards, some people came that way and killed the tiger. Second question ಇದೆ. The report said that the boy who fought with the tiger stayed on the tree for half a day. Why did he do so? Choose the right answer ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, he wanted to watch the tiger from the top of a tree. Second, he wanted someone to kill the tiger. He wanted to take rest for some time. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಬಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, he wanted to someone to kill the tiger. ಇನ್ನು ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. Swami said that a very strong and grown-up person might have fought with the tiger. Do you think he made this remark out of his? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡನೇದು ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೂರನೇದು ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಿಲೀಫ್. Can you prove you have courage? Swami's father said. Answer the following questions ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ನೀವು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ, ವಾಸ್ ಹಿ ಜೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಉತ್ತರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ summarize from his insistence on Swami sleeping alone in the office room. B ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ, was it a challenge or a command? It was both a challenge and a command. He challenged Swami to prove that he had courage, as his stand was that even if one is small and doesn't have the strength of a grown-up, if one has courage, one can defeat his adversary, opponent. It was a command also, as he wouldn't accept a no for an answer from Swami. ಐದನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, the place where Swami usually slept was ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. fill in the blanks ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. beside his granny. ಆತ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಿಸೈಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಗ್ರಾನಿ. ಆತನ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯ ಬಾಜು ಮಲ್ಕೋತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಜ್ಜಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್, ದೋ his son was grown up and in the second form, still he was sleeping beside his granny like a baby. ಆತನ ಮಗ ಬೆಳೆದು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸಹಿತ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗುವಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಕೋತಿರೋದು ಆತನ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಾದವು. ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡನೇದು ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, what do you think was the practice of granny before she went to bed? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್, ಪ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶವರ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಲವ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹಿ ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಪರಿಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ವೈ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಆಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ ವೈಲ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಟು ದ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he hoped that they would come to his rescue and ask his father not to compel Swami to sleep in the office room. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, there might be scorpions before your law books said Swami. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, had he seen them earlier or were there scorpions really? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. Swami might or might not have seen scorpions from the story. We cannot make out whether he uses this as an excuse to escape sleeping in the office room or whether he had actually seen scorpions. However, since he uses the word might be while referring to scorpions behind the law books, we can conclude that he was just using scorpions as an excuse not to sleep in the office room. B question ಇದೆ. Was it a trick to escape from his father? Answer all the questions ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಮೂರನೇ ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ wished that the tiger hadn't spayed the ball, which means dash ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಚೂಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಆನ್ಸರು ಅದನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಹಿ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಲೈವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಸ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೂಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆಸ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೂಮ್, Swami was reminded of all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard from his Chammani and the stories about Munisami's father and his fourth class friend who had been carried off by a ghost. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ. Which place in the room did Swami think was safe, compact and reassuring? Answer. Swami thought that it would be safe, compact and reassuring under the bench. Next ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ. Swami touched dash in the room instead of a granny. Fill in the blank ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ವುಡನ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಂಚ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸಾ ಅ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೂಮ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He is a shadow, a scorpion, a man ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಸಿ, ಎ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಹೂ ಕ್ರೈಡ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಟನ್ ಮೀ ಅಂತ. ಆನ್ಸರು, ದ ಬರ್ಗ್ಲರ್ ಕ್ರೈಡ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಟನ್ ಮೀ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಹೂ ಡಿಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಕುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಂಬಲ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಫಾದರ್ cook and servant stumbled upon the burglar who lay amidst the furniture. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, why were young ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಶವರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಶವರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ because unknowingly he helped to catch the most notorious housebreakers of the district ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್? ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೋ, Swami was not interested to join the police. He wanted to become an engine driver, railway guard, or a bus conductor ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಡಿಡ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಕರೇಜ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಬರ್ಗ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೋ, Swami did not have so much courage to sleep alone even after the burglars incident. Next ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, who supported Swami, his mother or his granny ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಆನ್ಸರು, his mother supported him. ಇನ್ನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಸ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡಂಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬ್ರೇವರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಬಾಯ್, he wouldn't have started comparing Swami with him. He wouldn't have challenged Swami to show his bravery. It is unfortunate for Swami that such a rare incident takes place and gets reported in the newspaper and catches the attention of Swami's father. Yes, indeed, the report about the boy in the newspaper was an unexpected event in Swami's life. Next ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ. Swami made a comment on the newspaper report. Was he right? How did his view differ from that of his father ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Swami made a comment on the newspaper report. No, he was not right. But according to his belief, to face the tiger and fight with it means definitely he should be grown up. Swami, strength and age are important to fight, but Swami's father view was different. To support his view, he gave an example such as a man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward if he doesn't fight at all, whereas another may have the strength of the strong. But if he has courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Third ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What desperate attempts did Swami make to escape from his father? And question the students. Answer ನೋಡಿ. When Swami's father challenged him to sleep alone, Swami hoped that he was only joking. He mumbled yes weakly and tried to change the subject by talking about his cricket club. Swami, who was terrified of sleeping alone, tried desperately to make his father change his mind. First of all, he tried to change the topic by speaking to his father about the new bats and balls and the decision of his cricket club to admit even elders. When his father kept to his decision, he tried to postpone the date by promising promising to sleep alone from the first of the coming month. Next, he pretended to have fallen asleep next to his granny with a blanket covering his face. But when his father pulled the blanket away and ordered him to sleep alone as the last request, he pleaded with his father to allow him to sleep in the hall instead of the office room. But all these attempts turned out to be futile, and his father remained resolute in his decision. Fourth question, note students. Why did Swami conclude that his father's proposition was frightful? Answer, note students. Swami had a habit of sleeping beside his granny. He was afraid of sleeping alone. In his condition, Swami concluded that his father's proposition suggestion was frightful. Next question, note. As the night advanced, Swami felt that something terrible would happen to him. What would it be? How wouldn't how would it happen? ಅಂತ question ಇದೆ. Answer ನೋಡಿ students. When he was in the office room at night, he remembered all the devil and ghost stories. His friend Mani had seen the devil in the banyan tree. Muniswami's father spat out blood. His thoughts linked like a chain. Swami thought that something terrible would happen to him. The ghost may come and carry him away. All these thoughts made him faint. Next question, students. There was absolute silence in the room. In spite of it, some noises reached Swami's ears. What were they ಅಂತ question ಇದೆ students. Answer ನೋಡಿ. The different kinds of noises that reached his ears like added to Swami's fear. In the stillness of the night, even usual sounds added to Swami's nervousness. The ticking of the clock, the rustle of the trees, snoring sounds, and the humming sound of the night were the different sound that reached Swami's ears in the stillness of the night. question ನೋಡಿ students. Narrate Swami's dreadful experience when he was lying under the bench. ಅಂತ question ಇದೆ students. Answer ನೋಡಿ. Though Swami fell asleep when he slept under the bench, he was troubled by nightmares. He dreamt of a tiger chasing him and his inability to escape as his feet were stuck to the ground and wouldn't move. The tiger was at his back and he could hear the claws scratching the ground. There was also loud thud. Swami desperately tried to open his eyes but couldn't. Finally, when he opened his eyes, he realized that he wasn't next to his granny. This wakeful state he was in for another horror. He could sense something moving down, and he thought it was the devil that had come to take him in his desperation. He hugged it with all his strength and bit into it ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಆನರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ become a hero in one night. The next day morning, congratulations were showered on him. His classmates looked at him with a great respect. His teachers patted his back and felt very proud of him. The headmaster praised him as he was a real scout. Even the police were grateful to him for it. Next question, ninth one. Why did the father want Swami to sleep alone in the office room ಅಂತ question ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ Swami to sleep alone in the office room to prove courage is everything. According to Swami, age and strength were more important in the adventurous tasks, but in Swami's father's view, the strength and age were not so important. Courage is all. To prove Swami had also courage, he should sleep alone in the office room. 10th one question, students. Who do you think was wiser, Swami or his father? Justify your preference ಅಂತ question ಇದೆ. Answer only students. According to the prose, Swami was wiser. Swami was afraid of darkness and loneliness. When he saw something was moving, he felt that his end had come. He assumed that the devil would pull him and tear him. So, why should he wait? As it came nearer, he crawled out from the bench, hugged it, and used his teeth like a mortal weapon. This shows at the time of emergency he used his wisdom. By this act, he helped to catch the notorious burglar. So, we can justify that Swami was a wiser. 11th ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬಂದ students. Why did Swami feel relieved at the end ಅನ್ನೋ question ಇದೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ. When their father returned home from the club that night, he asked his wife about Swami. Swami, as usual, slept beside his granny. Father thought that Swami slept before he could return home to avoid him. So he said that He was very clever. For that, mother lost her temper and supported Swami and said that he can sleep wherever he likes. There is no need to take such a risk to his life again. Father mumbled that if Swami was spoiled, there is no blame on his side. By hearing this conversation, Swami felt relieved at the end. ಇನ್ನು 12th question ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು suppose you are a Swami of the story, write a brief letter to your friend describing how you helped to catch a burglar in your house ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಲ್ಗುಡಿ, 10th April 2023 ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ರಾಜು, ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮುನಿಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್, ವಿದ್ಯಾನಗರ್, ಮಧುರೈ ಅಂತ ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇನ್ನಿಲ್ಲೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಲೆಟರ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ರಾಜು, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? I am fine, and my parents too. My granny asks you often, how is your school and friends? I hope you are also fine there. Last week, my dad ordered me to sleep in his office room alone. You know that till today I sleep beside my granny. I was afraid very much, but I had to obey my dad. I slept alone in his office room. When I was asleep, I heard sound. I got up and saw that there was something moving towards me. I hugged it and bit with all my strength. There was a cry. By hearing cry, my dad, servant, and family members came and caught the person. To our surprise, he was a notorious burglar. Like this, I helped to catch the burglar, though it was not my intention. I am expecting your early reply. Convey my regards to your family members ಅಂತೆ. ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇನ್ನು 13th ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Some words describing the characters of the story, a hero, are given in brackets. Put them in these columns appropriately ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಕೇರಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್, ಟ್ರಿಕಿ, ಅಥಾರಿಟೇಟಿವ್, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಮದರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಥಾರಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನಿಯ ಒಂದು ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್, ನರ್ವಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಗುಣಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಹೀರೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.